Filipino food has flair in preparation and presentation and is flavorful. And on the kickoff of Filipino Food Month this April, the President took pride in hailing the country's cuisine and culinary tradition that reflect a richness of heritage and culture and a standout identity showing compassion and care in sharing with others, whether stranger, friend, or family. Our Kenneth Paciente has more.
From traditional rice cakes, thirst-quenching drinks, various desserts, and other dishes, it was truly a food is life moment during the kick-off of Filipino Food Month 2025. The event was officially led by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. with this year's theme, Sarap ng Pagkaing Pilipino, Yaman ng Ating Kasaysayan, Kultura at Pagkatao. The President emphasized the Filipinos' love for food and their exceptional talent in cooking, highlighting its importance in shaping national identity.
Mga kababayan, sa pamamagitan ng ating mga pagkain, matutuklasan natin ang ating pagka-Pilipino. Malikhain, matatag at may malasakit sa kapwa. Malikhain, dahil nagagawa nating putahe ang mga pangkaraniwang sangkap. Matatag, dahil kahit sa panahon ng mga kakulangan, nagagawa pa rin nating ipagdiriwang ang kahit kaunting pagkain. May malasakit sa kapwa dahil sa tuwing may salo-salo, lagi nating naaalalang magdala ng pagkain sa ating kapitbahay.
The President also stressed that the program served as a platform to enrich, preserve, and promote our nation's food heritage while supporting various industries, farmers, and agricultural communities. The event also highlighted the importance of Filipino culinary traditions as an integral part of our culture and a key driver of tourism.
Ngayon, ang gusto ng mga turista, meron silang nakikita, meron silang nararanasan na masayang ginagawa at napakalaking halaga na ipakilala natin ang pagkaing Pilipino. Dahil kapag nakakain na ang isang dayuhan ng masarap, kahit anuman na klaseng Filipino food, basta't natikman na niya, malaki na ang kanyang pag-unawa sa kultura ng Pilipino.
In line with this, the President assured that the government continues to take steps to ensure that food remains accessible and affordable for every Filipino.
Kabilang dito, ang Kadiwa, ang 29 peso program, at saka yung Rice for All, ang pagtatakda ng maximum suggested retail price sa baboy, at ang paglalaan ng pondo para sa programang mga pang-agrikultura upang matiyak natin na ang ating nilalagay sa hapag ay masustansya at abot kaya. Sa ganitong paraan, ang mura at dekalidad na pagkain Pilipino ay mabibigay lakas sa ating katawan na pagpapayaman pa sa kultura natin at pagkakakilanlan.
Entrepreneurs also welcome this platform as an opportunity to showcase their products.
Malaking tulong po itong event na ito kasi dito po namin napapakilala yung aming farm.
Natutuwa sila na may mga produkto pala ng mga ganito sa sarili naming bayan.
The President also recognized the hard work and dedication of farmers and fisherfolk who continue to ensure there is food on the table for every Filipino. Filipino Food Month is celebrated every April under Proclamation number 469, led by the Department of Agriculture and the National Commission for Culture and the Arts. From PTV Manila, Kenneth Paciente, Balitang Pagbansa.